These are wands I made last year with a glue stick, glue gun, and beads. I sold a lot of them at farmers markets, but now I'm making them with Sculpey Primo. Much more sturdy. The crystals stay in much better. I use some string and hold on the top crystal by squeezing the Sculpey around the string. And then I flatten it out with that my rolling pin is that bottle. I flatten out the clay and wrap it around and tighten it around there. Then I will texturize it with I have a little texturizing pad that has texture on it, which is cool. And I noticed that the clay on the stick was rather loose, so I twisted it, and it was a magical fix for that. It isn't loose on there. It stays really well. And then I bake them, and they come out like this, and then I paint them. And the next few you'll see me painting. And one of these had a chip in the top, so I had to finagle a way to fix that. So I just put more Sculpey over the top of the crystal where it was chipped, and you'll see that at the end, what it came out to be. Behind the crystal there I put some green clay, which makes the crystal glow green. It's kind of cool. That'll be at the end. But yeah, the paint's fun. I keep adding and changing the colors, and maybe not satisfied yet, but we'll see. My dog wants to come in. And let's see, I think at the end here we'll see the one that ended up being redone. Anyway, I thought you'd like to see my process. They're cool. I like them. There's the one with the green crystal, and that I put a different top on it. There they are. They're fun. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it.